Welcome to the Finding Ada Conference 2021. My name is Sue Charman-Anderson and I'm the founder of the Finding Ada Conference, Ada Lovelace Day and the Finding Ada Network. We have some fabulous talks lined up for you to watch over the next few days and I hope that you are as excited about them as I am. To help you get the most out of this conference, I'm going to give you a whistle-stop tour of Hopin. Firstly, the main stage, which is where you are now. We have a mix of pre-recorded and live talks and panel discussions for you to watch here. For pre-recorded talks, just hit the play button in the middle of your screen as soon as the session starts. For the live talks and panel discussions, just make sure you're here on the main stage and the session will start automatically. Over on the right of your screen, you'll notice that there's a chat panel, a list of attendees, our Q&A panel, and our GoFundMe donation panel. We are currently raising money to provide free mentoring to working class women in STEM in the UK. So if you enjoy this free conference, please consider giving back to the community and making a donation. Some of our speakers will be available for a live Q&A, and that will start at 1:30 p.m. Panel discussions will answer questions towards the end of their conversation. You can ask a question at any time while you're watching the talk or panel discussion, or during the Q&A itself. Just go to the Q&A tab in the right-hand side of your browser window, click Ask a Question and type your question in the box. You can also choose to ask your question anonymously. The moderator will then select questions to ask during the Q&A. We also have several talks that are scheduled to happen in our sponsor booths. To watch one of the sponsor talks, just visit the Expo area by clicking on the menu here on the left and then click on the correct booth. At the scheduled time, the booth will either switch to the live talk or discussion, or it will switch from the booth video to the pre-recorded talk video. Again, for the live talks with the Q&A segment, you'll be able to ask questions using the Q&A functionality. The conference is split into 3 sessions, each one timed so that people in different time zones can watch. If you miss the first day's talks, you'll be able to watch those on the main stage after the first day is over. And we'll be putting up the first and second day's talks for you to watch before day 3 kicks off. Just visit the main stage and to select a talk, click on the playlist icon in the top right and pick a talk. Only the pre-recorded talks will be available to watch on catch-up. In between sessions, you can also visit the Expo area and look at our sponsors' booths. And indeed, I do encourage you to do that. This conference wouldn't be happening without our sponsors, so please take a moment to explore the Expo. Booths will generally be staffed at the same time as each sponsor's talk is happening. So if you've questions about their company or job opportunities, that would be the best time to ask. Just like on the stage, you'll have to click the play button on booth videos. But if the session is live, just be there at the right time and it will start automatically. We have left a few gaps between talks so that you can make yourself a cup of tea or grab a snack. You can also use this time to meet other people in the networking tab. If you join the networking tab, you'll be matched with another person for a 5-minute video conversation. It's a great way to meet other attendees and to expand your network. Please note that all of the social functionality, the networking, chat, Q&A and video calling will be turned off completely between the 3 main sessions, so make sure you take advantage of it while the sessions are in play. Finally, we would like to thank our sponsors who have made this conference possible. Huge thanks to Red Hat, SUSE, Xero, Jane Street, the IET, Vonage, School Dash, Digital Science, G-Research, Software Impacts, the Information Labs Data School and Work 180 for their support this year. I hope that you enjoy this year's Finding Ada conference and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.